take a black sketch pen.
And papers and some few colors.
So let's start.
Papa, let me see.
Yes, see.
Why I don't need coffee? Huh, Papa? Papa, why do you need coffee?
That is what it's supposed to be.
No.
Yes.
Papa, Papa,
Yes.
what are you doing?
I'm almost done.
What you done?
Yes.
Papa, wait.
Okay, I'm waiting. Yeah.
I'm getting a little confused. Let me do the same.
And now, in a hibiscus, from here comes out something.
Papa, wait, let me see. If I would have not seen we had to make this, I would have drawn a circle.
Oh, it's okay. You done?
What is this?
This is where the seeds are.
Let's start coloring.
Let's do the black one part first. I'm done with the drawing of this flower, beautiful flower called hibiscus. Did you love the drawing? Was this not a very easy one? The step-by-step drawing of hibiscus? Yes, it was, and I know it was. So if you loved the drawing, do let us know, and do also subscribe the channel and share your drawings with us on Instagram, and we'll be waiting for your drawings. Yeah.
So today let me use a brush up. So let's start with the eyes of the teddy bear. So the eyes are done, and now we're going to make the face. Now we're going to make the nose. Just like this means the mouth. And this. So now let's make the body. Now this, little bit space, and this, and this. Now let's make the hand. teddy bear is done. Should I make this? No. I did not make this. I was just imagining I was make it like this. Yeah, now it's looking like more like this. So what we need for the colors, we need the color, friends. So we need brown color, dark brown.
Okay, so let's start with the face.
This is going to be an easy drawing actually.
A little difficult one.
Yeah, a little difficult. Oh, what are you doing?
The face.
I'm just following you actually.
Okay.
Okay, what are you drawing next, Papa?
The eyes.
I'm getting a little confused in this actually.
Come close.
I'm getting a little confused.
It's okay. Just follow me.
It's like a human. Huh?
Yeah.
It's like a human dragon.
Yes.
Do you know?
Now the other pair of eyes. One was here, and the another one is here. Okay. The nostrils, and now the neck. Okay. Now the front part of the dragon, which is the stomach, it's going to be bigger. The legs,
this can be like a more like a human dragon. Isn't it?
Yes, it looks like that. Now the tail. Okay, are we done till here?
I'm doing this part.
Okay.
Papa,
Yes.
will you just help me please
With what?
with drawing the other leg? Papa, will you just help me draw the leg?
When I start drawing the other one, then I will help you.
No, this one.
Then why did you draw this one first?
I thought you were drawing this
You need
one.
to follow me, beta.
I thought you were drawing another one. Mine is like a robotics thing. Isn't it, Papa?
Okay. Now here comes the hands.
Which hand are you drawing? Papa. How do we draw this other hand?
Okay, the hands are done.
Papa, I'm getting a little bit confused.
Yes, the legs. These are done. Okay.
I'm done with my drawing.
No, the wings.
Oh yeah. Dragons have obviously wings. No, then only they are dangerous.
This does not look like a dangerous one.
Yeah. Which is from Pokemon, not a horror movie or anything.
Yeah.
Like that.
Okay.
My drawing is done.
Now let's quickly
Color it.
color it.
It's gonna be easy coloring. So.
Yeah, it's gonna be easy coloring. You took my color.
Yeah.
Oh, I am also done with my drawing of Dragonite from Pokemon.
Let's start with the body first. Like this, then this, then this, then this. And the drawing is done. So let's yeah, start drawing.
In the center, it's the drone's machinery that is small.
What is wrong? I'm confused.
I haven't even started drawing and you're already confused.
Yeah, obviously. This is a difficult drawing. You know that? Yeah, you're not even started and you're saying stuff. Isn't that obvious?
Yeah, it is.
I should be Papa, do you for a circle for this? Good. I'm confused actually. Let me see. At least I can see.
Okay.
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 Wait for me, I'm saying.
Okay, I'm not doing it.
Is it like this? Why is it like this?
And then the hanging camera.
And the flip goofy camera.
Now let's draw the drone's wings.
Let me see, please, let me see. Oh, you go. Let me see. Let me see.
See.
Huh? And this. Papa.
Yes.
Is it like this? Oh, I'm getting a little confused.
What is confusing? This is an easy one. Okay, good till here. Now the wings.
Wings are difficult.
No, they are easy. That's all.
I don't know, Papa.
What do you know?
I'm getting confused actually.
Not to get confused.
You're not getting into. I'm getting into.
It's okay. Oh, finally we are done. Let's quickly color it with reds and yellows. We'll be making a colorful drone. Okay, Pariksha?
You make a colorful art.
We are done. The beautiful drawing of this drone. So let's wait for Parikshit to finish his drawing. Until then, parents, why don't you share your kids' drawing with us on Instagram if you want to win some exciting goodies from Parikshit and Kids Fun and Club. Right, Parikshit?
I just need a black color.
The black color. Upset. We are done?